If you want to learn how to play Steam games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to open Steam, find your game, install it if needed, and launch it so you can start playing right away. This is a simple step-by-step guide for beginners, so even if you've never used Steam before, you'll be able to follow along. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the Steam desktop app on your computer and log in with your account. If you don't already have Steam installed, you'll need to download it first from the official Steam website. But if you already have the app, just sign in and you're good to go. Once Steam opens, look at the top of the window and click Library. This is where all of your owned games are stored. Now, on the left side of the library, you'll see your game list. Find the game you want to play and click on it. Steam will open that games page inside your library. From here, you can check whether the game is already installed on your device. If it is installed, you'll usually see a green play button. If you see that, you're already very close. If the game is not installed yet, don't worry, just click the blue or green install button. Steam will ask you where you want to install the game. Choose the install location that works best for your computer, especially if you have more than one drive. After selecting the location, click Next or Install to begin the download. Steam will now start downloading the game files automatically. Depending on the size of the game and the speed of your internet connection, this may take a few minutes or even longer. You can keep an eye on the download progress inside Steam. While you wait, make sure your computer stays on and connected to the internet so the download doesn't get interrupted. Once the installation finishes, the play button will appear. Now click the green play button. Steam will launch the game automatically, and after a few moments, the game should open on your screen. From there, you can adjust any in-game settings if needed, like graphics, audio, or controls, and then start playing. So just to recap, the process is open Steam, go to Library, select your game, install it if necessary, wait for it to finish downloading, and then hit play. That's all there is to it. Steam makes it very easy to manage your games and launch them whenever you want. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Steam games.